Yes children, see we have completed our lesson Robinson Crusoe's friend part. Okay, so I hope you all have read after finishing the lesson, you have understood and you made into a good story in your and you kept it in your mind, right? If possible, please write in your rough note what the story is about. Okay children, so next see we have discussed the comprehension part. Now let's see what we have in vocabulary. As always I said in the previous lesson also I have said you that a lesson has many things to give, not only stories but even in grammar, vocabulary. So in vocabulary we are going to see synonyms. First time you are hearing this word? Yes. But after this, because you came to high class, after this you must know what synonyms is. Nothing. Synonyms are two words similar, like to look it is different but has similar same meanings. Okay, see, two words that are different but have a similar meanings. That means two words are there with you or in front of you or you have written, which is different, but if you take the meanings it will be similar. Yes, as I said, English is a very beautiful language. So when we speak, when we write, so if you go on repeating one word, it will be so boring. So to substitute that, okay, we use synonyms to express our feelings, to express the words, different types of words there which you can express in different ways. Okay, so what are synonyms? Two words that are different but have a similar meaning. See, in dictionary normally one word will be, but the when it is in verb, adjective, it changes noun, it is totally different. And upon when you put in a sentence, then the meaning changes over there. It gives us a different meaning. So here for two words the meaning may be same but the words are different. For example, let us see how, here see I have written tiny. Is it visible children? Tiny. What do you understand by tiny? Nothing but little. One synonym. See, tiny, little. Two words but similar meaning. What tiny means? Little. What little means? Tiny. Another word is small. See, tiny means what? Small. Small means what? Little. See how it is connected to each other? Yes or no? Is it connected? Tiny means small. Small means little. Little means tiny. So for these three different words, here how many are there? Three different words but have similar meaning, same in meaning. What do you, if you want small, nothing, tiny also we can use, the same way we can use little, but according to the sentence we have to write the words. Okay, even when you go to higher class you learn miniature. Miniature means also tiny. See, one word can be written in these three different ways: small, little, miniature. So what are synonyms? Synonyms are two words that are different but have similar, nothing but same in meaning. Same in meaning, that meaning is same. What you mean is same of that other word, that is called synonym. What are synonyms? Two words have similar meaning, same meaning. See, very easy to remember. Synonym means two words but same meaning. Okay children? Yes? Understood? For that, why we use synonym? When if suppose, why I should learn synonym? So synonyms in reading, when you read, if you refer synonyms, if you know synonyms, easy to understand words, easy to even retell your words. To tell something, to sell someone, it is very important. Even in writing you must not repeat, no need to repeat things, so your writing or telling would be really very beautiful, because you can make it beautiful by how telling new the same meaning but with new words. Yes or no? Anybody would love to hear new words which gives similar meaning. Okay, so let's see. For happy, for happy, what could be? Could be joyful, it could be cheerful, it could be delighted. See, one word connected to each other. How it is connected to each other? Happy means joyful, even happy means cheerful, even happy means delighted. If you cheerful means what? Happy, delighted, joyful. Joyful means what? Happy, cheerful, delighted. For each one is connected to each other. Okay children, now help me out to find for kind. See, here I have written the word kind. What could be synonym for kind? You think, you say, you are very kind to me. For example, we can say, you are very nice to me. Yes? Yes or no? Am I right? Yes, we can say in this way. Suppose if I say nice, loving and also caring. Suppose if I say, okay, for kind, nice, loving, caring would be the synonym. Kind means nice, loving, caring. For large, when you say this is a very large boat, we have seen, no, very large boat. Crusoe, Friday said to Crusoe. Same way, it can be big. What it can be? Big. Think another word for large. What you can submit? Giant. We say, no, giant means big. Giant will big one. Okay, then what you can say, another new word what you can learn is enormous. This word is big for your class, enormous also, but you can check in your dictionary, you will find this word enormous, nothing but large in size, big in size. So this would be your synonym for large or big or giant or enormous, anything. Everything is connected to each other. Understand children how to find synonym? So now, actually why teacher is teaching this synonym directly where it is there in our book? Open your page number 23 children. Okay. Page number 23, work with words. Match these words with their synonyms, because first time you have come across these word synonyms. I have to explain, you know, what it is, so that, and children remember, it will be useful after this in your higher classes, very useful. Now 10th class, you ask your brothers or sisters in 10th, they will say how they have to struggle for half mark, 1 mark for their synonyms and antonyms. What I will teach you, again I don't want to confuse you, but remember this is very important. Understand, 2 words with the similar meaning, same meaning, 2 words can be also, like it can be, we can refer dictionary for this. Okay children, so now what do you have to do? Now EBIT. Match these words with their synonyms. What is the first word? STURDY, study. What is the answer? Study. First, don't do it. Now after you have understood what is synonym, you have to switch off this video and take the help of your dictionary and find the synonyms. Yes, it will be there in your what do you call in your dictionary, small Oxford dictionary, it will be there. Okay, we will solve it in our next video. You be ready with your answer and here I will be ready. So let's see answers are correct or not. Okay, it's a good game we can play now. Okay children? Okay.